Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study about report. A report is an object in Microsoft Access database system that is used to display and print data in an organized manner. By report we can print data on hard copy. Record source of a report is table or query. Only these two things provide data to a report. And report offers a way to format and summarize the information of MS Access database. So today we will see practically how we can create a report. For this, first of all, we will create a database. We will do right click and select Microsoft Office Access database. Give it name report database. It is one more way to create database. In earlier videos I told you how to create database with the help of this option and from all programs and Microsoft Office. From here we can also create database. Now this database is open. We have to create a table, but we can bring some other database also. If you want to bring a table over here, for this we will go to external database, access database, browse, desktop, this database contain a table. This I will importing this table in my database. We can look here, that table has been come here along with all records, and we can create our own also from here, table design option. So next, the thing that we will study today is reports tab. In report tab there are various type of options, so we will discuss all these options one by one. First, we can design a report with the help of report button. As soon as we will click on it, a report will generate it automatically. We can see here report is generated. If you want to modify or you want to customize it, we can do, like you want to change its name, double click, and we can customize it according to our choice. First click outside, then click on single field and like this, salary, so like this we can customize the report. I think it is more better. If you want to align these text, we can also bring this text in center. If you want to select two item, press shift key and click on both item one by one and align. Now it is okay. So it is one way how we can create a report. It is report employee report 1. Now second report we can create with the help of blank report. We will click on it and here we will select table of our choice. Here is only one table, so we will open this table and double click on these field one by one. All these fields will be added to report like this, and report is ready. Again, if you want to customize, we can do it manually as we did in previous report. This report is ready now. It is second report. Third report is we can create with the help of report wizard. We will click on it. We have to select table from here. Here is only one table, so we will select this table. And if you want to bring a specific field for this, we will select that field and click on this like this. But if you want to bring all fields, we will click on this. All fields will add it to select fields. Next. Layout you can select from here, and orientation also. So orientation I'm taking landscape, and orientation layout is tabular. You can select format according to your choice. Which format do you like? Its report name. This is one more report, but again we have to customize this report because it is very unorganized report. So for this, again go to design view. This is the base column. All these are the useless columns, so we will select all these columns and delete. Now report is like this. Now this report is properly arranged. If you want to change heading, size or dimension, we can change here. So these three methods we apply to create a report. These three methods, and the last one is report design. We will discuss this method in next video because it is a lengthy topic. So in this, with the help of this method, we will design a report manually complete. If in this report, if you want to ask something or you have any query, you can ask me through comment box. Or if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share with your friend, and can subscribe my channel to get more videos of this series. Thanks for watching.